Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set or activate the automatic lock screen wallpaper on poco phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, here you have to move on this setting. Okay, just click on setting. When you move on this setting, inside the setting you can see here this some points, and you have to scroll on the top. Just keep scrolling, and here you can see the lock screen option. So friends, here you have to tap on the lock screen. Okay, when you move on the lock screen again, you have to scroll on down, and here you can see the option of glance for me. Okay, so just tap on the glance for me. When you tap on the glance for me, here it says agree option. Just click on agree, and this one will be turned on. Okay, the glance for me will be turned on. And if you want to activate the automatic lock screen wallpaper, you just click on this turn on or click on agree, and the automatic lock screen wallpaper will be activated successfully. Okay, and if you want to change the category of the wallpaper, you can change from here the glance image category. You can change from here. Okay, see, if you want to follow, or if you just click on the follow option, no, what it will happen is that I follow all. Okay, if you want to unfollow, you don't like some like news, you don't like news, okay, India news, you don't like India news, so just click on unfollow. It will, the Indian news on your lock screen, it will not appear. Okay, and if you don't like the business news, music, sports, then you can select from here entertainment, games. Okay, you can unfollow also fashion. You can unfollow if you want to unfollow. Okay, if you want to follow, you can follow. If you want to unfollow, you can unfollow like this. Okay, so this is the category to change the wallpaper of automatic lock screen wallpaper. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.